There's the musician at work. What's the name of your band, sir?
I'm on the spot, I don't know.
We Need Paper Plates? Or was it,
Splashing Monkeys.
Splashing Monkeys. Here is the star of Splashing Monkeys. His name is Brett Simons. There's his mini-me over there, and this is his faithful dog. Listening to his music. They're all gonna rock out to Splashing Monkeys.
Claws for fingers, man. I gotta cut my fingernails. This sounds nice though for being out here and playing for 10 years. So.
Splashing Monkeys
Gotta turn it down, my neighbor.
need to cut their fingernails. Alright. Ruka's loving the music. And he's got injured fingers too. Yes, I am.
Where's the nail clippers at?
And here we go. Oh yeah. I can dig it. Beautiful.
That was not beautiful.
Yes, it was.
That was horrible.
I thought it was great. What did you think? I thought it was really nice.
He's playing Sublime.
You just mean that.
Rivers of Babylon.
Oh.
By the rivers of Babylon. Just go slow. It doesn't have to be fast, baby.
It's alright, you worked hard all day.
Take one out and then you can come back.
Alright. And there is the senior member of Splashing Monkeys. He's being rude and has his back to the audience.
It's too good for interviews.
Alright. Who said old guys cannot rock out? Baby, he's dancing in his swing. There's his lullaby for the night. It's falling asleep. To Gramps' music. How cute is that? Baby, look at him looking up at his swing. That is so cute. Oh, it does turn.
Mudding up the works.
Such a good baby. A doodle, a splashing monkey, a baby, and ZZ Top.